My name is Danya El Hassan, and I'm a Senior Product Manager on the AutoCAD team. Today, I'm proud to introduce a new addition to the AutoCAD family, the AutoCAD web application. For the first time, you can access original AutoCAD directly from your web browser. The AutoCAD web app enables you to create, view, and edit your CAD drawings from anywhere on any device. There's nothing to download. You just type in web.autocad.com and log in to get access. The AutoCAD web app gives you precise input and familiar drafting tools in a simplified web interface. It supports external references and allows you to view, edit, and manage layer and object properties. It's easier than ever to share DWGs with your colleagues and clients now too. All the work that you do in the AutoCAD web app is accessible when you switch devices, so you can pick up where you left off when you work from home or on the road. Enable this service in accounts.autocad.com. Whether from desktop, web, or mobile, you have the flexibility to access any DWG with AutoCAD on any platform.